ready to go home? Get ready, Randy.
I go home.
Where you want to go?
I'll see.
You're staying here? You gotta go home. Let's walk you outside. You don't feel like walking outside? It's warm outside. Yeah, it's a whole lot warmer out there than in here. Alright, come on. You're what? You're going to take a nap? Come on, you can take a nap in the Suburban. You don't have a blanket in the Suburban? Well, it's hot outside. We just won't turn the air conditioner on. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
What's not working?